boss, how are you? And this is a full system of the solar, battery, and AC conditioner. For this system, you can only need a two-piece 550 watts solar panels.
Two-piece, this one?
Yes. This is battery inside have controller, inverter, and lithium battery.
So
this is put in, input
of,
yes.
Of solar.
This way, output
to
AC and DC.
Okay.
Yes.
So this one to this one.
Yeah. Connect the indoor and outdoor. If you want to let it work, you open the AC. It's okay. The price for the total set is $1,047.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I can open it. Wow, so cold. Cold. Good.